આ ગોળીબારમાં ડોનાલ્ડ ટ્રમ્પ ઘાયલ થયા છે। આ રેલીમાં એક 20 વર્ષના યુવકે ડોનાલ્ડ ટ્રમ્પને ટાર્ગેટ કર્યા હતા। એફબીઆઈએ તેની ઓળખ થોમસ મેથ્યુ ક્રુક્સ તરીકે કરી છે। તેણે ટ્રમ્પના સ્ટેજથી લગભગ 130 યાર્ડ દૂર એક પ્લાન્ટની છત પર જઈને ટ્રમ્પ પર ફાયરિંગ કર્યું હતું।
Lá em cima, né? Aqui, ó. You can see the guy there. I think they hit him because the guy he looks dead.
And you know, that's a little bit old, that chart. That chart's a couple of months old. And if you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
હાલ તે યુવકનું મોત નીપજ્યું છે। વડાપ્રધાન મોદીએ પણ ટ્વીટ કરી આ ઘટનાને વખોડી છે અને ચિંતા વ્યક્ત કરી છે।
My name is Thomas Matthew Crooks. I hate Republicans. I hate Trump. And guess what? You got the wrong guy.
If you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
Lá em cima, né? Aqui, ó. You can see the guy there. I think they hit him because the guy he looks dead.
Hunter, that's exactly where I heard him come from.
What did you see, sir?
I heard the shots. I thought it was firecrackers to begin with. Somebody over there was screaming, "He's been shot, he's been shot." So I made my way over. I said, "I'm an emergency department physician. Let me help you." The guy had spun around, was jammed between the benches. He had a headshot here. There was lots of blood, and he had brain matter there. And so I got him. There's a helicopter coming in to get him. I got people there really helpful. I got
Was
him
there only
up
one
on the
person
bench.
shot that you saw?
Then I did CPR, did chest compressions as well as I breathed for him.
One person.
I was the only one that did it.
We need to evacuate everybody.